Hello everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa and I am the Crafty Author. Today what I am going to be showing you, this will be probably a very quick video. I am finally quilting the Disappearing 9 patch. Now remember, if you'll remember, this quilt is quite large, so it's taking me quite a long time to go ahead and quilt this. All right. I am putting on my gloves and I'm gonna hope you can see what I'm doing here because it's gonna be very difficult. I'm echoing around my C here. As you can see, I just made a mistake. It's okay, I'm coming at this from a funky angle right now. But, like I said, it's going to be just fine. Trying to keep my hands steady with what I'm doing so that my stitches are not uneven. Okay, now I need to readjust because this is very big. I like to slow down around the corners because if I don't, then I will skip a stitch or two, and or else it'll give me a big long stitch, and I don't like that. I've already had that happen a couple of times, and then I've had to go back over it again, and it just doesn't look as good. Okay, so be mindful when you're doing something like this. That's what you've got going on. So when you're quilting, you want to make sure that you take your needle, you drop it down, and you pull up your bobbin thread. Now I've already done this, so I just kind of knotted it, but that's all right. But you'll want to pull your threads up. Okay, so I'm gonna do it with my hands free for right now, and I hope you'll be able to see what I'm going to do. So I like to take a couple stitches before I start. And then I take my threads and I move them off to the side. There's my first C. Coming around. Come around again. Making some smaller ones right now. Echo around in this square because I seem to be quilting it to death, just like I was telling you that I like to do. So here is the quilting that we are doing on this quilt with the C's. Now, I'm going to point out the mistakes, as I'm sure you can already see them. You can see that there's a little loop here, and I did a little loop here, and it was because I didn't have complete control over the quilt while I was moving it. I'd made this boo-boo earlier. That is not enough for me to go and seam rip a quilt, especially after seam ripping all the stitching I did on this quilt. But these mistakes are livable because in the grand scheme of things, you're not going to be able to see them. And, you know, if somebody's going to be that particular about a quilt that they're going to snuggle with, well, then I don't know. So anyway, this is what we've got going. And I think it looks kind of neat. This is what it looks like on the back side. So that's what we got, and I am going to go ahead and I'm going to get back to quilting this. All right, so that's it for now. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish up quilting the quilt, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. I know it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, I may show you how I do the binding on it, because this will be the first time that I'm going to use my binding baby too. So yeah, I'll probably do that. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. If you would like to contact me via email, my email address is thecraftyauthor@gmail.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you click the little bell, each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. So yay! And that's it for right now. So keep on crafting, and I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.